friends, it's Emily, and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to do a little journaling. I feel like I have a lot to catch up on. It hasn't been too long since I did it, but if you're new to my channel, this is my Hobonichi A6 Techo, and this is what I have been journaling in for 2019. And this is the second half of the year. This little cutie pie right here is the first half of the year, January through June, or July, end of July. And I loved it. It just got way too thick. So if anyone is wondering about the thickness of the Hobonichis when you're getting ready to order for 2020, yeah, they can chunk up pretty good on you. This I have slipped in a notebook that I got from Coco Daisy that I was just journaling in for a couple, just giving it a shot, just seeing what it was like. So I have that slipped in there because I didn't want to transfer all the journaling. So that is the first half of the year, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute. And then I ended up ripping it in half because it was too thick to continue to journal in. And so this half has July 26th. No, I lied. Thursday, July 25th through the end of the year. So that's what I'm journaling in currently, and that's what I've been showing all of you guys. So if that sounds like fun to you, and you're wanting to get some new ideas for 2020 journaling, then stay tuned and give that old button a little subscribe. Boop. That's it. All right, let's do some journaling. Okay guys, so where we left off was, I think you guys saw me journaling about Great British Baking Show, and here, let me zoom in for you. And then this is where you guys didn't see, I made a 2020 wish list of things that I was hoping to get for 2020 as far as planners, and I haven't decided on journaling yet. So this is the list that I made, and then I made that wish list video where I talked to you guys about it. So you've heard of all of this stuff: Hobonichi Cousin of Eck, Salty Katie tabs, black jelly cover, wallet pocket. What is that? Wallet pocket. Oh, like to actually maybe possibly use it as a wallet. Rose Colored Days tabs, friction, sticker kits. So yeah, that was kind of what I was thinking. So as you can see, I love stickers. I just give a little like kind of memory keeping summary of the day, and then sometimes I list out things that I want to do or need to get done, and then just journaling about this week. These were butterfly stickers that I got. They're actually wall decals, I think, possibly. Or no, maybe these were just stickers from Dollar Tree like a couple years ago. And I still use them. But a lot of times I don't use the whole thing. I just like cut it in half and have the wings poking out. And then this journaling spread on Wednesday, Thursday was kind of a nod to, I really wanted to spend this weekend like making my environment somewhere that I don't want to escape from, like that's very soothing, and learning how to calm myself with my environment rather than external factors. So I really just kind of did this little art journal collage spread about things that make me calm, that make me feel at home, kind of like that like Swedish term, hoogie or huggy or hooga, I don't know what it is. But anyways, the things that just make you feel cozy. And this weekend, like yesterday, it was chilly, a little bit chillier, and so it just started to feel a little bit like fall. Some of the leaves are starting to change, and that's what I wanted to do. I just wanted to journal about that. And then later at the end of this week, I did put out all of our like autumn decorations and some Halloween stuff. And that always makes me really happy because the kids just love it, and it makes the house feel really cozy. And that's kind of what I wrote about on Friday too. I really wanted to focus on fall cleaning and yard work and create an environment that helps me feel relaxed and at peace. So basically just what I told you. I love these little Garanian stickers, the little acorn cat, and then the little leaf. And then these stickers, I don't know what kind they are, but I just love them. They're so cute. This is what the sheet looks like. AOZ Studio Happy Life Deco stickers. They're like little people, and I just love them. And I got my kids' school pictures back. Sorry, this is a long intro. I haven't been able to chat with you guys about journaling in a long time. I got my kids' school pictures back. It's Sunday today. We got them back late last week. And I have a frame in my kitchen that's like a little pinboard frame kind of thing. And they're old ones. They're 2017, 2018 pictures had been in there for the last 2 years because last year's were terrible. So I just left the ones in there from the year before. But this one's turned out really good, guys. Oh my God, it turned out, they're fantastic. They look so grown up, and I'm just in love. Oh, but these are my babies, and they're a big part of my channel. Henry and Adeline. They're in 2nd and 3rd grade this year. So you hear a lot about them. They are the loves of my life, along with my hubby, Michael. So you guys are just getting a full rendition of my life. So I had a little bit more that I wanted to write about that happened on Friday. So I'm just cutting out, I had this kind of like fall-y themed paper. And I'm just gonna make a tip in, but I'm gonna write in it first. So I'll be right back. My desk is an absolute tip right now. It is a total mess. Let me see, I've got a pretty fall washi that I want to use to tip this in. Where is it?
Where are you, fall washi? I know you're in here.
Adeline rearranged my washi bin because I had lent out all of my washi tape to the girl that I do the one of the leaders of our brownie troop, because she was finishing up we have a little memory keeping album that we did last year and the year before for Daisies, and she was putting in all the pictures to finish up the album so that parents could look at it at the bridging ceremony. And she's like, do you have any like decoration I could stick in here? And I was like, oh, do I have any decoration? Do I have something? Are you kidding me? So when I got them, it was just in a giant bag, and sorry, I don't hide a lot of stuff from you guys, but that's kind of private, so I did not have it all organized. It was in a gigantic grocery bag, and it had just been sitting in that grocery bag until I worked up the ambition to put it all back. But then Addie was like, can I organize your washi tapes? I was like, well, you just knock yourself right out. So I just took the drawers out of the washi organizer drawer, set them on the floor, dumped all the washi out, and I think she spent an hour and a half like color coding them and putting them all by like holidays and seasons. And I am making a meal out of this. I cannot. Do you ever get it where the washi starts going off crooked and then you can't get it right? And I spent all of yesterday cleaning and purging and rearranging Adeline and Henry's bedrooms. We cleaned everything. We cleaned everything out.
We moved my bed.
We moved all the furniture because she wanted a bigger open space and she didn't want it the way that it was arranged anymore. She caught me on a weekday and we ended up doing it. And then after we did her room, it was like 4 in the afternoon. We spent all day on it. Henry's like, okay, can we do mine now?
Whatever.
We did. We did Henry's room too. And we have a lot of stuff to take to Goodwill. So, sorry if this is all over the place. This is how my brain has been all weekend long. Literally. Just all over the place. So when I got out all the autumn decorations and stuff, I got new candles because our ones from Bath and Body Works had... What, lovey?
Wait, can I use your glittery paint? I don't know where it is.
My glittery paint?
Yeah, it's like metallic.
Oh, the glittery, the glittery watercolor?
Yeah.
I think you already moved it over to your desk, actually, because you said you wanted it. Oh, here it is. You have to open it, though. It's not opened yet.
I don't know how.
Just a second, okay? Just
Look
a
at my
second.
sticky notes.
Just a second, sweet pea. We share those. They're not yours. Oh, Adeline.
Mommy.
And I found this little scrap of paper in my fall, in my my paper bin. What am I trying to say? And I wanted to use that in my journal. But what was I continuing to say? That I bought some candles because since I had the fall decorations out, I wanted some fall scents. And my favorite one from last year and the year before, I think, is Cashmere Woods by Glade. I don't like the wall plug-in. I just like the candle of it. The wall plug-in doesn't smell quite the same and it's a little too strong. But the candle is sheer perfection. Sheer perfection. It smells much more expensive than it is. And then this one, Sheer Vanilla Embrace, is really pretty for this like kind of seasonal change. It just smells rich and like kind of, and I've been burning them all weekend and they are so nice. Oh, they're just the prettiest scents. Hey, Adeline, do you need to go back upstairs or are you going to let me do this? The answer was unequivocally no. She was not going to allow me to do that. So now we're switching to voiceover. So I'm just using my fall washi to tape in the labels of those candles because it just reminds me of this weekend and kind of the peaceful scent. And then this magazine picture I saw on Friday and I thought it was so cute that I cut it out. It's this like little girl and then this, it looks almost like a pop-up, what are they called? Oh, Skinny, no one wants me to do this voiceover today. It's giving her a high five. And so I cut it out because I thought it was so cute and I put it in because I was so proud of all the work that we got done in their bedrooms and we packed up a lot of boxes. So I am using one of my little sticker flakes, my Garanian sticker flakes of a cat in a box, and I'm putting that down there. And then these stickers are from, oh gosh, when I first started my channel, I was using these a lot. I think they're from Bloom Planner, Bloom something on, I got them on Amazon, Bloom Planners or something like that. I'll try and see if I can find them. They were really cute planner stickers. And so I'm just trying to use them up. And these were all kind of like, you go girl, yeah. Which I was proud of myself because Friday I cleaned out our whole laundry room and then the kids' rooms. And I just been on a tear this week. And I really hope the weekend, and I really hope it continues into next week. So the back of those school pictures was just white, obviously. And I had put some stickers, but I kind of wanted it to look, I just wanted it to have like a color. So I took some of my markers and just smeared them around. And it sort of, they smeared into each other and kind of made a pretty fall, you know, a fall combination. What am I even saying? And then I am adding more washi tape. I wanted to add a little bit of orange on there. And I just thought that was cute, so. I can't remember where I left off. If you guys saw that I stapled in that piece of fabric that was from a fabric bin that I keep in my journaling area. And then that washi also went with a fall washi tape set that I got last year. It was, I think it was Recollections brand, possibly, or it might have been from Tuesday morning. I can't remember, but it does not stick very well. So a lot of times I have to put glue on that washi. And then this is the label, the price tag from a little, we bought some little pumpkins at Walmart, like a little like decorative plastic pumpkins. And I kind of put those in my fall arrangements, and I got like, they look, like gourds and pumpkins, like a fall arrangement. And it just looked very festive and cute. And so I just kept the label from one of them. And then these sticker flakes, I believe I got at Michael's, and I threw away the package so long ago that I don't remember. But they're a bunch of like little woodland creatures. There's like a little hedgehog and a raccoon, and let's see, I think there's a fox, and I know there's a panda, but I didn't use that one on this spread because it didn't seem very fall-y. And then, let's see what else. Oh, a little bear that's super cute. And then I'm using more of that herringbone washi because I just can't get enough. It's just so fall to me. I love it. And then what am I doing? Oh, more washi. What do you know? I just love that color. Just as, yeah, all the feelings. And then that sticker that says my recipe is from the pig and cat stickers that I got on Amazon. I'll link those below. And then I love using this pen. It's the Sarasa 0.07 in mahogany, and I just love the color. It's like a dark reddish brown, and it's very nice for like seasonal things like fall and winter. It always looks so pretty. And then I'm just using the other half of that butterfly sticker, and then some more of those planner stickers. I'm putting gym class, and then writing that Addie has tumbling this afternoon. And then I'm also putting in more washi and a little nail polish bottle because I painted her nails. I think she loves a mani more than anyone in this whole entire world, grown or not. And then this is another piece of little fabric that was in my scrap stash that I just thought was really pretty and kind of autumnal with the like mustardy color. So I'm using double-sided tape and folding that over the top of the page, and then putting it, folding it over, and then it kind of marks the page where October starts, which I thought was kind of cute. And I love it when stuff like fabric and ribbons kind of stick out of my journal. I just think it makes it look so fun and interesting. And then I'm just giving that little beginning of October page a little orange washi border. And I'll decorate that tomorrow. But I'm really glad that you guys stuck around. I hope you had your journals and you were getting some work done, and that it was relaxing for you. It was mildly relaxing for me until I had a helper. But that's life. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye.